Good morning, students. So, see the questions for revision. Question number: ratio of the sum of. Question is ratio of the sum of first nth terms of two APs is 7n plus 1 and 4n plus 27. Then find the ratio of their ninth term. 280 नहीं हो रहा, 2 APs है. Okay? So suppose sum of first n terms of first AP is Sn and second AP is Sn dash or Sn1 and Sn2. Clear? Then this is nothing but n by 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 and n by 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2, and this must be equals to how much? 2n plus 7 divided by 4n plus 27. This is the ratio. Given ratio is this only. 7n plus 1. 7n plus 1 upon 7n plus 1 upon 4n plus 27. The sum of two APs, ratio of the sum of two APs are this much. Okay. So we have considered the sum. You know very well, n by 2a1 plus first AP के लिए a1 and common difference is d1. So sum of first AP is 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 and n by 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. This is the sum of second AP. Understood? Now what you need to find? The sum of their ninth term. Okay? So see how to find. This is cancelled out. So 2a1 plus n minus 1 d1 divided by 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. Clear? Now taking 2 as a common, a1 plus n minus 1 by 2 d1 and divided by 2 times a2 plus n minus 1 by 2 d2. Okay? Clear? So these are the ratios. 2 cancel, 2 commonly हमने, ठीक है ना? ऊपर से भी n नीचे से. Clear? So 7n plus 1 divided by 4n plus 27. Clear? So we can write it as 7n plus 1 divided by 4n plus 27. This is nothing but a1 plus n minus 1 by 2 d1 divided by a2 plus n minus 1 by 2 d2. Okay? Now what is the actually trick of this question? How to solve? Okay? We need to find ninth, ratio of ninth term. Okay? So a1 plus this quantity is at 8. a1 plus 8 d1, a2 plus 8 d2. This is the ratio of ninth term. Na? So for ninth term, that means this become to be a ninth term. N minus 1 by 2 must be equal to 8. Understood? N minus 1 by 2 must become to 8. Then this is nothing but ratio of ninth term. And if n minus 1 by 2 is an 8, then you simply find the value of n and put here, you will get the ratio of ninth term. So for ninth term, ratio of ninth term, n minus 1 by 2 is 8 and this becomes n is equal to 16 plus 1. This becomes n is equal to 17. So for n is equal to 17, this become a ninth term. Clear? ऐसा होता है तो क्या हो जाएगा? T9 फर्स्ट एक बार और लिख देते हैं a1 plus 8d1 divided by A2 plus 8D2, and this is nothing but 7 into 17 plus 1, 4 into 17 plus 1, and this is nothing but T9 first, and this is nothing but T9 second. So 770 जा 17 7 जा, बोलिए हमको नहीं याद है, हाँ 120, ये पक्का
77
कितना होता है 129, टेबल नहीं याद है तुम लोग, हाँ 119 ना plus 1, so this is 120 divided by 5, 6 to 8 and 1 9. Okay, now this is 5 2 and 4, and this is 19 na? 24 by 19. The ratio of ninth term of these APs is 24:9. 24:9. Clear है? है ना? So maybe you understand this one. Note it down. For what value of A? For what values of A? The value of A. Quadratic equation. For what value of A? Quadratic equation. For what value of a quadratic equation 30ax square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0 has no real root. 30ax minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0 has no real root. So please try to solve afterward, I'll tell you. So see, so you know, if equation has no real root, then b must be less than 0, and d is nothing but b square minus 4ac less than 0, and b is what? Minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a, 30 into c plus 1 is less than 0. So this is 36 minus 120a. Okay, 120a less than 0. So 120a, see, is greater than 36. You understand this one? 120a इधर जाएगा बेटा, तो ये greater than हो जाएगा ना. So a is greater than 36 upon 120. So this is what? A is greater than what? 3 by 10. A must be greater than 3 by 10. Then the equation has no real roots. Otherwise, real roots. Understood? So note it down. If PQ is equals to 28 centimeter, see this question. If PQ is equals to 28 centimeter, first you see this is the triangle, then this is tangent to the circle. Okay, P Q T M N L M N L M N. Okay, so if PQ is equals to 28 centimeter, if PQ is equal to 28 centimeter, then find the perimeter of triangle PLM. What do you need to find? PLM का perimeter हमें find करना, okay? So please try to solve this. So see the solution. You know this is the tangent. This is the tangent supposed to be x. Then this is y. Then this is y. And then this is what? 28 minus x. And this is 28 minus y. Why? Because PQ is equal to PT, because being tangent they are equal. And this is x. Then PL is nothing but 28 minus x. भाई ये पूरा क्या है? 28. This is x. So this is 28 minus. Similarly, this is y. This is 28 minus y. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all the three sides. So x, y, y, x. ये कितना आ जाएगा? 56 सबको समझ में आया बेटा? सो नोट कर लीजिए. Write down next one. If two tangents are inclined at 60 degree, this is sample paper of 2021, okay, issued by CBSE. So you have already this question paper, so you no need to write the question, only just listen the question and solve, okay? If two tangents are inclined at 60 degree are drawn to a circle of radius 3 centimeter, then find the length of each tangents, okay? Two tangents are inclined at 60 degree. Suppose this is the circle and this is tangents. Tangents inclined at 60 degree, okay? This is P, Q, R. This is of 60 degree, okay? Of radius of circle 3 unit. This is the radius 3. And you know, this is the line joining center to P, and this bisect the angle 60 degree, okay? So if it is 30 degree and this is 3, then what do you need to find? The length of the tangent PQ. So in triangle OPQ, if you see in triangle OPQ, using trigonometry, why? Because this is a 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle. 3 as a perpendicular and PQ as a base. 3 as a perpendicular and PQ as a base. So perpendicular upon base, that is OQ upon PQ upon, you write OQ upon PQ, na? This is what? Tan 30 degree, na? According to trigonometry. So tan 30 is what? 1 by. So OQ upon PQ is 1 by root 3. So PQ is nothing but what? OQ into root 3. So PQ is nothing but 3 root 3. So this is the solution, okay? PQ is equal to 3 root 3. OQ is equal to PQ is equal to OQ root 3. So PQ is what? OQ is 3 and root 3. So this is the length of tangent, okay? Note down. Or another question is solved. Or PQ is a tangent to a circle. PQ is a tangent to the circle. क्या है क्वेश्चन? PQ, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 का और है. PQ is a tangent to a circle with center O at point P If triangle OPQ is an isosceles triangle, then find QOQP, angle OQP. Again see, this is the circle and this is the tangent to the circle. PQ is the tangent to the circle with center O. Center is O. PQ is the tangent. PQ is the tangent to the circle with center O. Point P at point P. So triangle OPQ. 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 See? टेंजेंट को बोल भी रहा कि पॉइंट पी पे टेंजेंट है, ठीक है ना, इसलिए हमने पी लिया उसको, अदरवाइज क्यू भी ले सकते थे. सो ओ पी क्यू इज एन आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. फाइंड द एंगल ओ क्यू पी. एंगल ओ क्यू पी, यू नीड टू फाइंड एंगल ओ क्यू पी. सो दिस इज वेरी इजी. आइसोसेलेस है यानी ये दोनों साइड इक्वल है एंड यू नो वेरी वेल दिस इज 90. सो अपोजिट टू दिस एंगल,
वो नहीं 90 होगा, नीचे वाला 90 होगा.
wait.
सर वो सेंटर में
One is 90, so angle OQP is 45 degree. Because isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So if one is 90, then another two is 45 degree. Okay? So thank you for today.